start by standing nice and tall, just relaxing those shoulders. Take a deep breath in, lift the arms up and then reach them out to the side. Inhale, reaching up, and exhale, stretching through the arms and out. Inhale up and exhale out. Good. Inhale up and exhale out. Up and out. Now we're going to bring the right arm up and take it over to this side. Lift up and lower down. Other arm up into a nice stretch through the side, and lift and lower. Up and over, and lift and lower. Up and over, and lift and lower. Good. Up and over and lower. Last one. And over, lift and lower down. Okay, so we're going to take a wider stance now. So feet nice and wide. We're going to draw the tummy in, and we're going to reach our arms out and at the same time lower and down. So you're going to inhale, bend the knees, and exhale, straighten. I want you to think about keeping that back as straight as you can. And really trying to feel the stretch through the arms and also through those legs as you do this. So think of sending those knees back. So we're opening out in the hips, and you're going to bring the arms up. Take them out to the side. Let's hold it here, little pulses. 2, 3, 4, that's it, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift the arms up, straighten the legs, and let's do it again. Here we go. Good. Well done. And bring the arms down, lifting up, reaching out, sinking as low as you can go, and pulsing. Well done. Lifting up, reaching the arms out and down. Okay, so I'm just going to turn around so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to tuck the tailbone under, feet hip width apart, and then from here, chin to the chest, you're going to roll down towards the floor, just letting the arms hang, the head hang, and then take a deep breath in and come back up. We're going to raise the arms out to the side, a little extension through that spine, looking up to the ceiling or the sky, and arms down. Let's do that again. Deep breath in, exhale, chin to the chest, rolling all the way down. Inhale, and exhale, coming all the way up. Now reach those arms out to the side and back if you can, getting that nice stretch, and then bring the arms down. And again, deep breath in, exhale, chin to the chest, and rolling down. Inhale there, exhale, coming up. Let's take the arms out, reach up and back, nice stretch there, and then bring the arms back down. Good. So you're going to put your right leg forward now. Remember to draw those abdominals in. That's it. We're going to lift our arms up, palms facing towards each other, and bending that right knee. So the back foot, the left foot is just slightly turned out. Now we're going to turn it in, lift the heel, and do little pulses going down and up. That's it, trying to keep a nice straight back. Really utilizing that core. We're going to turn around, and then we're going to go to the other side. So bending that left knee. We've got a nice straight back leg at the moment. Holding that stretch. And then we're going to lift the heel, turn the leg in, and little dips down and up. That's it, good. Turning to the back. All right. right, and bringing those arms down. As you can see, nice knee bends and up. So plies, lift and lower with those arms. Bend the knees and arms out to the side. And out, good. And out. Right arm up and stretching over, lift and lower down. Left arm up and over, lift and lower down. Right arm up and over, lift and lower down. Left arm up and over, lift and lower down. That's it, good. And down. This is all about stretching, feeling good in your body. And down. Well done. Good. So from here, with a slightly wider stance, drawing the tummy in, let's reach those arms out. Take the hands behind the head, open the elbows. You're going to take a breath in, and as you exhale, you're going to rotate to your right and come back to the center and left and center. So you're trying to keep those hips facing forward and feel the rotation in the upper part of your spine. That's it. Good. Coordinating the breath with the movements, bringing the hands down. All right, so we're going back to hip width apart. We're going to lift the arms up, and then we're going to sweep them down and up. Little energizing move to finish. And exhale down. Inhale up and down, down and up. Good. Down and up. Down, down and up. Reach those arms out to the side. And that's you done for today. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it.